guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Ashley, and today we are going to be cleaning out my pantry and organizing it. It is a disaster. I actually got inspiration to do this from Andrea Jean's most recent video. I'm going to link that video below because it was so motivating to get in my cabinets and my pantry and just do a whole sweep and get rid of stuff that was expired and try to condense stuff and put it together so I would have more room in there and easier for me too. Since I do most of the cooking around here, it will be a lot easier for me to come in here and know what I have, put my hands on stuff, and know what I can make out of the things that I already have, which will in turn save me money on my grocery list. But let's get into what you are here for and start organizing this pantry. So I just wanted to go through and show you guys the containers that I have. These wire containers have to be my favorite, the rose gold. I'm gonna use one of them for fruits and vegetables, so that's why I got 3 of them. The other 2 I'm gonna try to find a use for in my pantry because they're just so cute. This one was about $2.97, so about $3. Oh, these were, I wanna say $3.45. I already had these, which are just really nice, like glass containers with these plastic tops. And then I have these cereal containers that I already had that have got these. These were like 97 cents, got 2 of those. These I'm gonna try to use for like my seasoning packets and stuff like that. Got 3 of these. I wanna say this was also 97 cents. Not sure, I'll have to double check how much this container was, but I'm gonna find a use for this. And this one right here, a bigger one. And then this big boy that I'm gonna use for, I think I'm gonna use this for like packaged snacks like goldfish or chips, something along those lines. But yeah, I wanna say I spent about $40 because I know my first trip, I bought these separately so that I could remember. All of these containers I bought in my first trip to Walmart. These and these, and it was $20. And then these 4 containers were $15, so right under 40. I didn't do any prepping before, so I just got a whole bunch of containers that I thought would be useful. So I may end up taking some back, but they were super inexpensive. So even if I don't use some of them, then I might find another use for them around my house. Or I might need some more, but that's okay because they weren't very expensive. So this is very budget friendly. Unfortunately, I did already, well, not fortunately for me, but unfortunately for the video's sake, I did already have the cereal containers and containers to put my flour and sugar in, but I did see some really nice glass containers at Walmart that you could use for flour and sugar. They weren't very expensive. I didn't see any cereal ones at my store, but I wasn't looking because I already had some. So I would just, if I were you, head to your local Walmart or even your local dollar store and see what they have, and then just get a bunch of it. You can always take it back. We're just gonna jump right in and I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. You'll see that this pantry is a disaster. There are things just thrown in here. There's really no strategy to how things are put in here. You'll see that I have multiples of things, and that's because I can't really see what is in here. So I'm just buying stuff and wasting money because I already have that when I could have saved the money on my grocery bill that week. So that is why I wanted to get in here and get everything organized. I'm going to start off by taking everything out of my pantry. Of course, when I started, I wasn't recording because that happens. But I'm going to start off by going through getting everything out and just placing it somewhere in my kitchen, on the counter, or even if you run out of counter space, on the floor, on your table. Just get it out of the pantry where you can see everything. And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we Now I'm going through with my vacuum and just getting all the crumbs and dirt out of the cabinet. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, Now I'm going to go through with my Mrs. Meyer spray everything down and wipe it out.
Trying to pretend, and I know that it's so hard. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end?
This next step is probably the most important. I'm going to go through and inventory everything I have. So this way, when I'm planning out my meals for the next week, I can grocery shop in my pantry and only have to go to the store for the leftover things that I will need. That way, I'm going to save a bunch of money on my grocery bill.
And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh, yeah. I would try not, yeah. To cry. Gloria, Gloria, please. When your burdens my name. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me.
I ordered these can organizers off of Amazon a while back, and they were fairly inexpensive, so I'll try to find them and link them below. And I'm just going through and grouping the things that are the same, like my beans and my broths and soups and tomato products.
I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love.
My daughter went through a period where all she wanted to eat was ramen noodles, so don't judge me. I know that they are super unhealthy for you, but she is a really picky eater, so if I find something that she will eat, I just stock up on it, and this is what's left over from that. You'll see that I really took my time and played around with the containers that I had and what I was going to put in there, how I was going to fit them in there and group them together. You really just need to take some time and figure out what is going to function best for you.
I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. 'Cause I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
So when I was putting things back, I just took into consideration functionality and what products I use more often than others. Just try to keep it as easy as possible to put my hands on things that I needed. I also kept in consideration my daughter, my 7-year-old, and the things that she would want to come in here and grab, and try to keep it easy for her.
You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky, oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and it motivated you to now and organize your pantry. I'm gonna leave Andrea's video below because that is really what inspired me to do this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.